Previously with Shalana. I'm Michael Joseph back to my channel. Welcome, if you're a subscriber. Hey, I'm Shalana, and today we are going to get into this look here. So it's springtime and we want to be colorful, nice and bright. We're bringing out all the colors. So if it is you want to see how it is I get this look, just keep on watching. Let's zoom in so you get with it. So the first thing that I'm doing here is using a white concealer all over the lids. This is going to help to show out the pigment in our eyeshadow. And then I'm taking a brush and I'm going to blend this in so it be a smooth flow on the eyelids. Unfortunately guys, with the camera quality, you was unable to see all the colors that I placed here. I'm so sorry about that. Hopefully things will get better in time, but let's continue. First color that I'm going in here is with purple, and I'm going into the crease and creating like a halo effect around my crease area there. Next, I'm going in with pink and I'm blending that and blending out the edges of the purple. Next, I'm also using yellow to blend the edges all the way up to my eyebrows. I'm so sorry that this color was not showing up on camera, but it's definitely there. I don't know if you can peep it just a little bit, but it is there. Next, I'm taking some black to deepen the look of that purple. I'm just putting it on top and blending it in. Next, we're going back in with our white concealer again, and we are going to cut our crease. I'm not perfect at this, but that's okay. We got it done. So what we're going to do is feather that purple into the outer corner of our cut crease, and now we're going in with the different colors. So I'll show you all before I put it down. So first I'm doing yellow, then I'm doing this lime green. Then I'm going in with this darker green, and all of these colors will be blended into each other. So as we do before, we go back and forth with each color to ensure that we get that seamless blend. After this color green, I'm going in with this kind of teal blue, and I'm putting that on the outer part there, and all of these colors will now be going back and forth with each other to ensure I have the proper and perfect blend. Now we are accustomed to the face together, so give me a second and I'll be back. Alright guys, so this is what it looks like. If it is you want, you can now go underneath the eyes. So I'm taking After using that blue teal color, I am also lining my eye with that purple and connecting it with the outer purple. Right, I'm doing it on both eyes to help tie the eyes together. Now, something I did not do and you can do is to put some white concealer underneath there to help allow those colors to show up a little bit better. Alright guys, so this is the final look. Let me show you. Alright guys, so if it is y'all like this look and like this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, don't forget to comment down below, don't forget to follow me at Shalana Aesthetic at both Instagram and on TikTok, and I'll see you guys